Visit Memphis and be part of one of the greatest debates of all time. Who's got the best barbecue in Memphis?
Me.
No, I don't want to have beef with anybody, but great barbecue is here at the Germantown Commissary.
I've never had a bad day at Tops.
At Leonard's, we know ours is the best.
I don't think people should fight about it, but I do feel like we're the best. So.
I go to Central.
Cozy Corner.
Leonard's.
Pig on Bill.
Interstate.
Rendezvous.
I think it's a silly argument. There's good barbecue all over Memphis.
People are just passionate about their barbecue in Memphis.
And everybody likes to say that their place is the best.
Child, let's eat.
I'm a Payne's barbecue man.
You get your sandwich from Payne's, you get your ribs from the barbecue shop, and you get your dessert from the commissary.
I live right around the corner from my Corpus.
When you put our rib in your mouth, it melts.
You gotta try Wellington's.
Wellington.
Go down Lamar, across from the boot shop. You wanna see Donna, she'll hook you up.
Our signature dish is our ribs. My dad took the Greek and the Cajun spices and just mixed them, and that's rendezvous seasoning.
Ooh, did you taste that?
I got this. I'm a barbecue connoisseur.
If you're a true Memphian, you can tell a Payne sandwich from a barbecue shop sandwich.
Central Payne Barbecue Shop.
We are just proud to be somewhere where people want to come.
When I started this 40 years ago, I had one desire, to recapture that flavor that I grew up enjoying.
Everybody's got an opinion, and everybody's gonna try to argue about it. And we ain't even started talking about wings yet.
Oh, so you wanna know who got the best wings?
No, we are not trying to have that conversation this morning. You see what I mean? Lord have mercy.
Visit Memphis to enjoy more than 100 barbecue joints. Find your favorite and take part in the debate.